Have you ever wondered how some people are making thousands of dollars selling children's books on Amazon without writing a single word or drawing a single picture? What if I told you that you could create professional children's books in just 10 minutes using the help of AI? Even if you have zero writing or design skills. Today, I'm going to show you how the Gravity AI children's book creator is completely transforming how people create and sell children's book online. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a complete children's book in under 10 minutes, the exact process for maintaining consistent characters through all your book, and how you can generate passive income with these storybooks. But first, let me show you why traditional children's book creation is completely broken. Creating children's book the traditional way is incredibly difficult and very expensive. First of all, you need to write an engaging story that children will love. Then, you need to hire an illustrator, which can cost between $2,000 to $5,000. Then you need to design and format the book in the proper way. And finally, you need a publisher or learn the self-publishing process. This takes months of work and thousands of dollars. And there is no guarantee your book will sell a single copy. So there are two types of children's book creators. Those who spend months writing and illustrating their book with uncertain results, and then those who use AI to create professional books in minutes that they can sell again and again. So which one would you rather be? And Gravity Write solve all of these problems in one simple tool. So here is how it works. The first thing that you have to do is just go and click on the link in my description, and then you can create your account completely for free. So once you open your Gravity Write account, it's gonna look exactly like this. And the first thing that we have to do is just go to the section of AI tools. Then over here, what I'm gonna do is just go to the section of all tools. And from here, I'm just gonna go and search for book writing. And I'm gonna click over it. In this section, we can see we have the Kids Storybook Content Generation, the Book Outline Generator, the Book Cover Image Ideas, and all of these amazing tools to create our storybook. But for now, I'm just going to be focusing on the Kids Storybook Content Generator, and I'm just going to click over it. Over here, we can see that we have the Kids Storybook Content Generator. So over here we can see that it says create fun book content for kids easily with our tool. It helps making engaging stories quickly, sparking the imagination of young readers. And the first thing that we have to do is go ahead and add the title of the story that we want to generate, or if you even have a summary of what you want your story to be, you can also go and add it over here. So over here, I'm just gonna go and add the title of my storybook, and I'm gonna be creating The Brave Mouse. Over here, what we can also do is go and choose the story type of our storybook. So when it comes to storybooks for kids, I really like it to keep it on moral or life lesson story, since I found that it's one of the storybooks that parents like to get for their kids. So I'm just gonna go and keep this one. What I also really like about this tool is that we can go ahead and choose the age for this storybook. So as we can see, we have picture books that is for 0 to 5 years, early readers from 5 to 7, and then we also have young readers from 7 to 12, and then young adults, which is 13 years and older. For mine, I will keep it for early readers, so I'm just gonna keep it from 5 to 7. And now we can go ahead and describe how many characters we want in our storybook, and you could even go and add the specific names. So I think I'm just going to specify that I want 2 characters, and you could go and add their names if you already have some ideas, but I think I'm just going to keep it on 2, and I really want to see what it creates for me, so I'm just going to leave it like this. And now we can go ahead and decide the number of pages that we want for our storybook. I will make it a 50-page story, and now we can click in Create Content. And now we can see the result. Over here, I'm very surprised that it even generates a prompt for our front cover, which is amazing since sometimes for me it's a bit hard to find what would attract buyers from these storybooks. And getting a prompt for this cover, it really helps me a lot. So we're just gonna go and copy this prompt. I will keep it. And then we have the page content. Over here we have, as you can see, the page number 1, and we can have the content of it, and we also have the image prompt, which is amazing. We have the page number 2 and exactly the same. And then it keeps going till we get our page number 10, 11, 12, 13, till our page 15 and the prompt for our back cover, which is also very important. So now, with all of this information, we can move on into our next step. Now, I know that you might be thinking, isn't an AI-generated content lacking creativity and personal touch? Actually, this tool allows you to customize every aspect of your book. You can edit the story and personalize the elements that make your book unique. You have the complete control of the creative process, and the AI just does the heavy lifting for you. So in case that you don't like some of the parts of your story, you can still customize it, and then you can also go and change the image prompt so we can get the exact result that you would like. And now to move on into our next part, the first thing that you have to do is open a new tab of Gravity Guide. But you need to keep your script over here. So I'm just gonna go open this new tab and then just open the section of AI Image Generator. And from here, we're just gonna click in Storybook Image Library. So once we already click in Storybook Image Creator and we are in this section, what I'm gonna do is click in Create New Storybook Images. Then from here, what I will do is first of all go and add the title of my book. So we had The Brave Little Mouse, and I'm just gonna add it over here. Now you can go and enter your story. So what I'm gonna do is just go and just copy page by page and then just add it over here. And you keep doing this till you finish all of your pages. Since we just made 15, I'm just gonna go and copy paste all of those. So what I really like about this tool is that it gives us so many options of image style. So as we can see, we have the Disney Pixar, the animated fairy tale, the anime style, the comic character, watercolor painting, and even the Dreaming Children book, which I really find very cute. I am very big fan of Disney, so I really want to try the Disney Pixar style to see what it will generate. Then we also have to choose the number of images that you want it create for each page. So if you want to get some options when you start the creation of your storybook, you can also get that. So I think I could do 2, so I can see like 2 different options. Now you can go and click in generate all images, but what I would recommend you to do is first go and check one by one that the descriptions that we got over here match with your story. Or if you want to change anything or be more specific or just add something different into this, you just go and you change it before it generates your images, because then we don't want to waste our credits in an image that we're not going to be using. So first of all, you go ahead, you check that. And what I also really like to create first is generate our cover image. So I'm going to click on that. Now we have our title, and now you can go ahead and add the author name. So if you're not very comfortable on adding your real name, you can even go ahead and generate a pen name, and then from there you can just add it over here. But I'm just going to be using mine, so I'm just going to add Mariana Montoya. And then you can go and generate the cover image, or in case that you would like to use another tool, you can even just go and generate the image prompt only. But since I want to create everything with Gravity Guide, I'm just going to go and generate the cover image. So I'm just going to go and click in generate. And as you can see, I cannot hold it. They're just too cute. We got these amazing 2 images for the cover of our storybook, which is this one, The Little Mouse by Mariana Montoya. And this one, The Little Mouse by Mariana Montoya. I think I really like it, this one. This is my favorite so far. And I'm just gonna go and keep this one as well. So now I think we're just gonna be getting one of the images since I really like it our first option. Now I'm just gonna keep creating the rest of my pages with this amount of pages. I already checked all of my prompts and then I think they're very, very good. So I'm just gonna click in Generate Image. And once you have created all of your images for your story, what you can do now is just go ahead and download the images that you're going to be using and then just upload them in the right formats for Amazon KDP. And if you don't know how to do that, you can go and watch my video of how to format a coloring book. The link is in that description. So I often hear people asking, what about the quality? Don't AI books look very generic? And with this example, you can see how this book look professional and unique and nothing like the generic AI content that you might get with different tools. And it even offers all the different styles that are standing out in the marketplace. And you also might be wondering, but I don't really have the technical skills to generate all of these very complicated images. And that's exactly why I really like to use this tool. It's designed for complete beginners with a simple interface that anyone can use. As you saw, by clicking a button, you can create a book. This tool have eliminated all the technical barriers so you can focus on creating amazing stories. Another frequently question that I get about storybooks created by AI is the copyright issues. And I have to highlight that Gravity is designed to create original content that you own 100%. This tool is built specifically to avoid copyright concerns, giving you full commercial rights to everything that you create. You can sell your books with complete confidence, knowing that you own all the rights of your work. Now you might be wondering what an incredible tool like this costs. Traditional children's book creation can cost between $3,000 and $5,000 per book when you factor in writing, illustration, and design. Professional AI tools with similar but more limited features charge up to $800 per year. But today, you can get a yearly access to the Gravity Guide AI tool for only $97. And that's not a monthly fee. That's one-time access for a complete year. But I should warn you that this offer is a special price for the first 100 customers. After that, the price might increase. And to make this completely risk-free, now Gravity Guide is offering a 7-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't love the tool or you don't create amazing books with it, you can simply let them know and they will refund you every penny. So here's what to do next. Click the link on my description to get the access to Gravity Guide AI and try it for free. In less than 10 minutes, you will be creating your first children's book.
I can't wait to see the amazing books you create, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Have a great day.